Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to import media file from Facebook or Instagram in Wondershare Filmora. To import media file from Facebook, click on import button, then click on download media from Facebook. After that click on sign in. After that it will ask you Facebook ID or password, so I have already logged in. Then click on continue. Click on OK. Now here is all photos which I have posted on Facebook. It is not showing because my internet is slow. So I am going to select any one of them. Then click on import. As you can see, I have successfully imported media from Facebook. Now let's import media from Instagram. Click on import, then click on download media from Instagram. After that click on sign in. Then it will ask you ID or password. So I have already logged in. Then give the permission to access your media file. Now as you can see, here is my all media file which I have posted on Instagram. I am going to select any one of them. Then click on import. So now I have successfully imported media files from Facebook or Instagram. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. And goodbye.